Yeah, today, after the first part, and let us see the second part of the problems on non-integrated accounting system. I hope that you have understood the journal entries relating to the accounts that need to be prepared under this particular system. Now let us go for the first problem. In this particular problem, they have asked pass journal entries for the following transactions under non-integrated accounting system. First is raw materials purchased for a specific job. Raw materials purchased for a specific job that will not enter the stores department. So the journal entry becomes work in progress ledger control account debtor to cost ledger control account. The second is raw materials purchased. When the raw materials purchased and it comes to the stores department, the entry becomes stores ledger control account debtor to cost ledger control account. Direct materials issued to production. Whenever the direct materials that is issued to production and it goes to the work in progress control account. As I told you earlier, the work in progress control account that consists of three components. One is the direct materials, direct labor and the overheads. So here when the direct materials issued to production, the entry is work in progress control account debtor to stores ledger control account. Direct wages paid. It need not be only the direct wages, any expenses that is incurred, the cost ledger control account that should be credited. Direct wages paid, the entry becomes wages control account debtor to cost ledger control account. Factory expenses incurred. Very simple. Factory overhead control account debtor to cost ledger control account. Factory expenses charged to production. So when it is charged to production, we have to debit work in progress control account. So work in progress control account debtor to factory overhead control account. So this is how is the journal entries are passed for this particular problem. So here the amount is not given, only the transactions are given. We are supposed to pass the journal entries. Let us pass on to the second problem. And in this problem, they asked journalize the following transaction in cost ledger, assuming that control accounts are maintained. So the transactions are given. Purchase of materials. So purchase of materials, that is given cash purchases, credit purchase for jobs. Any purchase of material, whether it is for cash or the credit, except for specific jobs. So it goes to the stores department. So the journal entry becomes stores ledger control account debtor to cost ledger control account. So for the cash purchase, the entry is stores ledger control account debtor to cost ledger control account. Amount is 2,16,000. Credit purchases. There is no distinction between the cash purchase or credit purchase in the non-integrated accounting system. So here the same journal entry that is to be passed, stores ledger control account debtor to cost ledger control account. Credit purchase for jobs. When it comes to the specific jobs, it will not come to the stores department. Then the journal entry that is to be passed is work in progress ledger control account debtor to cost ledger control account. The amount is 86,000. Return to supplier. Once you have purchased, and when you purchased, then you have passed the entry stores ledger control account debtor to cost ledger control account. Now you are returning it to the supplier. Then the opposite entry that is to be passed, cost ledger control account debtor to stores ledger account, 16,000. Materials, it is issued to the production. So work in progress control account debtor to stores ledger control account. Very simple. And indirect materials issued 1500 rupees. So indirect material means it is factory overhead. The entry is factory overhead control account data to stores ledger control account. It is 1500. Materials returned from production to stores. When it is issued to the production and you have passed the journal entry, work in progress control account data to stores ledger control account. Now you pass the opposite entry, stores ledger control account data to work in progress control account. It is 6,000. Material transferred from job number 1 to that of job number 6, 2,000 rupees. So it is nothing to do with the stores department. So it is the interdepartmental transfer. The entry is receiving department. Which is the receiving department? So job number 6 account data to job number 1 account. So these are the journal entry that is to be passed for this particular problem.